right, this is Henry. Henry is currently in his blind area. I have the gate blocked off here, and we're going to be doing the search in the garage, and you can see there's a solid door here. So we'll leave him in here. Door is closed. And this is going to be Henry's search area. I have the garage blocked off, so he won't be searching anywhere over here. He'll be searching this entire area, including this messy area over here. So just don't judge the messiness of my garage. We are going to be using a treat going pretty much to the furthest point. Henry's going to be coming in from that door, and I am going to take this treat here, and I'm going to put it right behind the tire, and I'm going to cover it with this little harness here. That way it's not completely out in the open. So again, for this point. So let's go get Henry and let him search. Hi, buddy. You want to come sniffins? Good boy. You ready to go sniff? You ready to go sniff? Okay, buddy. Go ahead, go sniff. Go sniff. Good boy. Good boy. Did you get it all? Good job, mister. Good boy, bud. Did you get it all? Good boy. Here, you missed a little piece. Good job, buddy. Good boy.